class. So today we're going to talk about multiplication equations. Let's get started. So with multiplication equations, we're going to be using the division distributive property. So our example is 7a equals 63. Our variable being a, and what we want to do is we want to isolate the a. So we're going to use the inverse relationship, which is division. So 7 divided by 7 will cancel itself out, which is 1a or a, and 63 divided by 7 is 9. So if we're saying that a equals 9, putting it back in our original equation, 7 times 9 equals 63. So let's check. 7 times 9 is 63, which is correct. So our solution of a equals 9 is correct. Our next example is 42 equals 3v. So we want to isolate our variable 3 times v by using division. So dividing 3 by 3 and 42 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, or 3 times v divided by 3 will cancel itself out as 1v, which equals v. And 42 divided by 3. Let's work that out. 3 into 42, 3 into 4 goes 1 time. 4 minus 3 is 1, bring down the 2. And so 4 times 3 is 12. Therefore, 14 is equal to v. So to check our solution, let's put it back into the equation. 42 is equal to 3 times 14. Let's check. 14 times 3, you have 4 times 3, which is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that's correct. 42 equals 42. So our solution of 14 equals v is correct. Let's take a look at a word problem. A grocery store is selling 6 cans of cat food for $3. Write and solve a multiplication equation to find the cost of a can of food. So the information we don't know is the cost of 1 can of cat food, and we're going to create that variable for as c. Now, the grocery store is selling 6 cans of cat food for $3. So 6 times c equals 3. So in order to isolate our variable c, we want to use the inverse relationship of multiplication, which is division. So dividing 6 by each side to balance out the equation, 6 divided by 6 will equal to 1, and 1c is just c. So c is equal to 3 divided by 6. So because we are dividing 3, we want to add the decimal point, bring it up to the top. 6 divided by 3 can go in 0 times, but 6 can go into 30 5 times. So we want to create and add our decimal. C was equal to 50 cents. Now, putting our solution back into our equation, that would mean that 50 times 6 is equal to $3. So therefore, our solution is correct. C is equal to 50 cents. So the cost of 1 can of cat food is 50 cents. Thanks for watching.